Want to make your Shopify store look clean and professional in under 2 minutes? Let's build a navigation bar step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to Online Store. And then in this screen, press on Customize, or just enter your online store if you already have one. Then go to the header and then scroll on header and you'll find main menu. On here, press on main menu and press on edit. Now it'll take you here. All these menu items are the one that we just seen right here. This is your main menu. So you could just press on add menu item. In the label, type the name of the menu that you want. For example, let's type policy. And in the link, let's link it to policies, a privacy and policy, and press on this done button. Now press on save. Now, if we go back to our website, as you can see, if it didn't show up from the first time, just refresh your page. Now, if we click on policy, it'll take us to our privacy and policy. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials like this one.